There are certain lessons in life that a classroom cannot teach, and only living away from home can. Hostel life helps the students connect with their peers more at a personal level. The diverse set of activities open to them make their lives more engaging, helping them make lifelong connections. There is a place for every interest and hobby in this hostel. That's the kind of lively community building that's being fostered in the campus. A wholesome hostel life equips the students with decision-making skills, improve their time and money management skills, while helping them understand the responsibility of their freedom. The hostel life in this serene environment is one of the little pleasures that completes the journey of a student who steps into IIT Madras.